Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
It's sunny
Yes, it
again.
is. Finally, it's sunny again. Welcome to day 8 of our trip to Japan. And we are on day 8. Did I just say day 8 already?
Yeah. We're lack of sleep. You can
Yeah,
tell.
we are lacking of sleep. But we try to get by.
We cannot be late tomorrow,
Yeah, definitely.
or else we're screwed. I don't know. Yeah.
Current temperature, current time now is 11:23 in the morning, and the current temperature is at 13 degrees. It's not. Yeah. Go ahead, you talk.
It's not one.
Oh, it's not that cold yet.
We decided to just spend the morning in Shinjuku Park. The Gyoen.
What?
Gyoen, right? So let's see how it looks there. Judging from my uncle's photos, it was pretty good. But hopefully the sakura was still there after the rain. Yeah, so we'll see. He's busy with his gadgets.
Our gadget. Okay. Alright, we just got in through the gate for the Shinjuku Park, and check it out. It is warmer than we expected. I guess we're overdressed, so we decided to take them off. Entrance fee for the gate was 200 yen, and here it is.
This is another kind of flower
No?
that is blooming.
Oh, it's still blooming.
Yeah. This is not sakura though.
Oh yeah, because like you can see all over the floor that sakura already fell down, so just goes to show that temperature is rising, and I suppose that's that. Gorgeous place, lots of trees, lots of open space. Hey, do you think this is where Yuriko was last time? Oh, there's still some more sakura trees over there at the back. Around. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be exploring this morning. Currently at Shinjuku Park. Cherry blossoms are still falling here beautifully. And this road is just literally covered with petals. Hi, Be. So beautiful. Yeah. Go go.
Whoop.
I caught one. Yeah, I caught one too. Hi. I'm having troubles with the camera at the moment. I can't seem to get it to shoot faster.
He's still in Shinjuku Gyoen.
My park.
No, the Maya means like in front of. We have quite a lot of sakura, but most of them are like coming off already. But the one that I'm under, it's not a sakura, it's very this is not sakura.
Still here in Shinjuku Park. And we haven't actually explored quite a lot because we've been taking a lot of photos. So we took a break from that and we're just going around taking some more, just taking in the scenery. Beautiful this time of year where everything is in a lot of colors actually. What do?
Yeah. One must be pregnant to go to the book.
That's not necessary.
That's not like proper woman.
No, it just goes to show it's a mom, I suppose.
Not necessary.
Look at those different colors over there. I don't know if it's coming through. Ah, there we go. Okay. Well, here we are. Got some really big trees around here. Good afternoon, viewers. And currently, time now is 1:58 p.m. and we just took a break from walking around. What are we having today?
Yakisoba.
Yakisoba. Yes. Yeah, it's a bit expensive to eat inside the Shinjuku Park, but I suppose you can't get any better, like enjoying the Sakura view and just like chilling under this tree. It's not really a Sakura, but it's beautiful nonetheless. Alright, we're gonna tuck into this first. Talk to you guys in a bit. Yeah. Good. Back to where we started. Heading out to the exit. Just close over there. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty. I think it'll be prettier if it's still in full bloom though.
Yeah.
Most of them are gone, but
Well, that's
yeah,
alright.
I enjoyed the sakura ring.
It is beautiful. Anyway, that's it from us here at Shinjuku Park. Next up, we're going to
Odaiba.
Odaiba. We're gonna see that big ass
Gundam.
freaking the. Alright.
Hang it. Beer Papa. Milk, milk cream.
Milk. Ready? We used to eat this back in Hong Kong, so this is the first time we're eating it here in Japan.
Where it's from. Oh no. Yummy.
We're currently here in Ginza station. We're taking the Ginza line, going to Odaiba. As you can see. Yep. Are we far off?
One more stop to Shinjuku.
Uh-huh. Right. We're gonna take a line there.
Yurikamome line.
Ah.
Odaiba to Odaiba. It's really cool. Basically, they loop around so that they can make a perfect turn. There we go.
Odaiba station, just walking around. They seem to have a lot of malls around here. Oops, stairs. Okay. Yeah, and I think we've just found what we got been looking for over here. There it is. You see the big guy? Wow. Quite smaller than I expected though. But there he is. RX 782. I believe so. Let's get much closer, shall we? There's another Gundam cafe over here. So we're at Diverse City, Tokyo. I don't know if you can see it. Diverse City, and this is where it's located, in Odaiba City. So once you take the train, you get off at the 7th stop and you end up here. Gorgeous. RX 782. Wow, I believe that is life-size, ladies and gentlemen, in case you're watching it. Wow, it's even more awesome up close. Too bad it doesn't have the shield and everything. Would have been much more awesome. Wow, look at that. Awesome. So this is what we came here for. We're gonna take a few shots first. How big it really is. I'm just standing at the foot of it. And I'm just barely above this circle part over here, and I'm about like 165 cm. You can see over here, Gundam crotch. From the back. So nice. Kinda makes me want to go out and buy a Gundam. It's just that awesome. See Eva down there. Hi, Bear. Wow, so cool.
Oh.